Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all missed me because I missed you. I'm Sharie Nicole and I am bringing you a smoky purple look today. I used a James Charles palette and I'm trying to hurry up because for one, I am on my way to work, but for two, my lights just flicked off because it is raining and I'm in fear that it's going to flick off completely. So please let me know what you all think of this look in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel right now for all your makeup needs or other needs that you may desire that I can supply for you. And go ahead and follow me on all my social media accounts. I will link them down below. And if you are ready to see this look, just continue watching. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot stinking minute, but I've been busy, period. I've been busy. But not too busy so I cannot come back to you guys because I've missed making my videos and I'm ready to get back on it. As I've said previously in my past, I know y'all like, Sharie, you have been saying this same speech every time you come back, but this time I promise it's different. I do have my button on today because I am trying to get ready for work. I have less than an hour and I'm thinking that I'm going to be doing some makeup, but you know what, I'm going to make time to do this makeup. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. It's not going to be nothing too extravagant, but then again, we don't know where this tutorial is going to go, so I'm not going to just jump ahead of myself. But I'm going to let me grab my stuff. I hope y'all can't see my mess. I am going to start off with prepping my skin. I'm going to be using the Lancome Genifique serum. For my moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Lancome Absolute Precious Cells moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I've had it for a minute, but I just recently opened it and I'm in love with it. It does have sunscreen in it. You always need to wear sunscreen regardless of if there's sun out or not, because you're protecting yourself from the UV rays. So I'm going to put that all over my face and bring it down to my neck. It leaves your skin so hydrated, so moisturized, smooth, everything. So yes, make sure you prep your skin well. And last but not least, I know this may be overkill, but I've been wanting my skin to look dewy lately, and I've been liking the hydration on my skin, especially since it's getting into the cooler days. So I'm going to go in with this Lancome Rose Milk Mist. Y'all, go get you some of this. This is so good. It didn't miss today. It did what it wanted to do, so I'm going to rub that in. I'm going to pat it in actually. Now I'm going to go into my brows. I'm going to be using this ColourPop brow pencil. It's in dark brown. This was my first time purchasing this and I do like it. The only thing is that it goes away. Oh my god, y'all, look, this is all I have left. Y'all, what? Okay, so anyways, I'm just going to do what I've been doing and I'm just going to buy one of these today. Even though it goes away so fast, but whatever. That's why I stopped using pencils, y'all, because pencils go away so freaking fast. It's like you never had it. So I'm just gonna outline it. Mask production. So yes, I like to outline it like that. I'm so mad that I did not know my pencil was out because I would have got one yesterday instead of getting on this camera and making a fool of myself with this empty pencil. So next I'm going to take my BH, it's upside down, my BH Cosmetic Pro Brow Palette, and like I normally do, I'm going to mix these two middle colors. Now I'm going to carve out my brows. I've been using this Makeup Revolution concealer. It is in C7, but I'm running out of it, but I'm still going to use it today. I'm hoping that I have enough to do my face with it because I just recently purchased this and it's gone, like gone. So it doesn't last long, you guys, if you go out and purchase it. I mean, it's only $7, so I guess you're not really investing anything in it, but it goes really fast, y'all, like for real. So let's make a simple look that looks like we've did a lot. I'm going to be going into the James Charles palette. This is the mini one. I think it is. Yes, this is the mini palette. I was gifted this one by my lovely wife because I wanted the James Charles palette when it came out, but I didn't need that palette. It was so big, so I was so glad to see that this one had came out. So I was able to still get it. So we're gonna be doing a purple look today, and the first color that I want to go into is this pink. I know I said purple, but I want to transition with that pink because it is really cute. And the next one that I'm going to go into with that same brush is this one right here. Like I said, we're going to make this look quick and cute, period. So I'm going to take this purple right here and I'm going to apply that to the lid to make it kind of like a smoky purple look. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So that's gonna be it right now for my eyes because I'm trying to hurry up and do what I gotta do. So let me go on to my face. I'm going to be using my favorite foundation of all time, the Tint Idole Ultra Foundation from Lancome. It is in 420 Bisque. Okay, so I am going to go finish getting ready because I am running behind on time, and I will be back to finish up this look for you guys. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with this NYX Dewy Finish. And then I'm going to take this Tender Taupe liner from Clinique and line my lips. Let me make sure my lash is doing okay. And I'm going to take Melted Chihuahua from Too Faced. I don't even know if they still sell this, but I'm just going to use it. Okay, y'all, and that completes this look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did, and comment down below what you think. I am in a rush, so this outro is not going to be long at all. Let me know what you want to see me do. Please subscribe to my channel and share my channel and videos with all your friends and family so that they can, you know that I'm here and know that I'm ready to give them what they need. So yes, I will see you all in my next video. It is going to be dropping soon after this one. I promise I'm not going to have you all waiting any longer. Please let me know if you enjoyed this look, like I said before, because I enjoy doing it for you all. And that's going to be it. I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.